her man's family don't like her, and they kicked her out of the house. So
Okay.
she booked a flight to go to New York today.
Okay.
Done nothing wrong.
All right. Yeah, she's just gonna keep playing dumb.
Arrest me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Arrest me.
When a police officer misquotes a criminal statute on Bodycam during an arrest, does that arrest still hold in court? Before you assume you know the answer, consider what each statute actually says.
Is she?
She's having a horrible day because her man's family don't like her, and they kicked her out of the house. So
Okay.
she booked a flight to go to New York today.
Okay.
And I heard that someone was waiting for her outside. So I've been trying to tell her to pay her bill to go. So
Okay.
just go, pay your bill and make sure you can go outside
Yeah, do your
and get
thing and then-
and come back. She said she was going to Melbourne.
Okay. Cool. Hi.
I've done nothing wrong.
I know that.
I've done nothing.
I know. You don't have to make a big scene about it, nothing. She's just asking for you to go ahead and pay the bill.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
No problem. Go, call the police.
We are the police.
Yep.
Okay. Do you have your card or cash or whatever, however you want to take care of your bill? That way she can cash you out, okay?
I've done nothing wrong.
Nobody said you did.
All right, they're not going to bother you. They're just here to make sure that you're okay if you fall asleep. The camera saw you fall asleep. They're just doing their job. I just need you to pay, but you're good. You can go to your flight safely, okay? You just want to make sure you get to your flight safe.
Okay, that's all. Nobody's harassing you. Nobody's trying to bother you. I'm just making sure you're okay. This is your purse right here, darling? Your key?
Yes, it is.
Okay, can you get out a card or cash? And pay her so we can all go. She'd like you to thank you. She'd like you to pay her bill. Okay?
Do me a favor.
I appreciate it.
I've done nothing wrong.
I'm aware of that. But
I don't think you are.
They're asking you to pay your bill so you
And
can
I
leave.
just need you to square up with me. We'll be going, okay? Please?
Okay?
How dare you?
Okay. We're not doing that.
Ma'am, we got law enforcement here. I just need you to pay your bill. That's it. We're wasting time, okay? Please?
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. My name is Christine. I'm from New York. My name is Christine. I'm from New York. So tell me what you want from me. I've done nothing wrong.
This is your first time standing up a little bit. Just stay right where you are. What you could do is, again, for the 5 millionth time, go in that purse, grab out some form of money, a debit card, credit card, something,
I've done
and pay your
nothing
bill.
wrong.
All right. Yeah, she's just gonna keep playing dumb.
I'm not playing dumb.
Oh, you're playing something. You can tell me what it is, but you're definitely not sober nor willing to pay. So that's not really helping us right now.
Arrest me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Arrest me. Arrest me. Arrest me.
Stay in your corner.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing
Stay in your
wrong.
corner.
I've done nothing wrong.
Can I talk to you, please? I'm Officer Gonzalez.
I've done nothing wrong.
You have done something
No,
wrong
I haven't.
because, like they explained to you, man, listen to me. You
I've
haven't-
done nothing wrong.
We gave you ample opportunity to pay the bill.
I've done nothing
You
wrong.
haven't done that. Now, you done wrong because one, debt for services. You haven't paid for the drinks that you received. You are intoxicated. You're not supposed to be in a public place intoxicated for your safety and the public safety, and more for your safety, because you're intoxicated. You want to make sure you're safe and no one takes advantage of you, or you get hurt, you fall, slip. All right, so we're here to try to, we do want to help you as well. That's why we're here, and you keep repeating yourself. Now, if you don't pay for the services,
I have no
you'll go to jail.
problem
You'll go to
paying.
jail. You haven't gone to your person, guys.
What are you talking about?
So, and we don't want to take you to jail for that. But you keep repeating to it, and right now you are intoxicated. And I don't think I don't know if you're listening to understanding. If Look, you dropped your phone right there. Can I pick it up and give it to you? The phone. Can I pick up your phone and give it to you, madam? Okay. I was just gonna move the chair.
I'm not doing anything.
There you go,
I'm
man.
not doing anything.
The phone is in here.
Okay, all right.
Remember when you kept asking us for it?
Writes that,
Remember you kept
I'm
asking,
not
you were
doing anything.
begging for it.
All right.
Ma'am, could you go ahead, turn around and put your hands behind your back, okay? Do you have anything that are sharp on you by any chance, ma'am?
No.
Do you have anything that may be considered contraband, like at the jail? Because if you introduce any type of, like drugs or any type of, you can go ahead and lean up against that if you need to. I don't want you falling down. And I'm going to put these handcuffs, okay? So they're not made for comfort, okay? So I want to put 2 fingers in between it, all right? Just to make sure. All right. And I'm going to do 2 fingers right here. Like I said, they're not made for comfort, okay? All right. Are you on A side or B?
I'm on the B spot by United. I'm giving you her. He got her name here.
All right, there's your
Oh,
ID.
we got more
Okay.
stuff. Let me. That's some info on them.
All right, let's go on over here. Is this your stuff, ma'am?
Yeah, it's got her ID on it.
All right, and hold on, 1 second. We're going.
They're not going to accept these at the door, right?
Yeah, go ahead. That's contraband. It's trash. Did you have all those this morning or today?
Would you need to finish
The
up on
fireballs? Okay.
I told her to do that.
You want her cash out? Just a couple of dollars.
Yeah, just make sure that her cash, and we can just put it in her pocket. If there's any other contraband items in there. Oh, she got a ticket. Did you miss this flight? Let's see. Is that yesterday or today? Let me look. Kristen Jovanich. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to be able to take your purse with you to the jail. This is trash and alcohol contraband. We're going to throw that away, okay? You're going to keep your cash. We're going to give that to the nurse when we get there, okay? As far as the ticket goes, we're just going to, this is just for our record, okay? George, I'm going to need that, but
She have
yeah.
one.
Looks like 2, 3,
2.
or 4 maybe. Just fold it. We're going to put it up in her left pocket.
$3.
All right. Fold that. Yep. Perfect. Okay.
Trash.
Yep. All right. And that officer has searched that. You should be able to bring all that to the jail with you, okay? Now, as far as this bag right here, not sure if they're going to be able to take it. We can get with United, and maybe they can keep it here with them, okay? All right.
Sorry.
So unfortunate. I think mental illness.
Yeah, she also has pills in her, I'm sure.
No, well, the situation come in. She sat down and asked for a double teal, so she wasn't drunk, but she was crying because her boyfriend broke up with her and said that his family's from Mexican descent and didn't like her no more because she's white. I said that's really unfortunate. I said, some people in life there's either good or evil, right?
Mm-hmm.
And she was fine then, and then she asked for one more. And I was giving her some advice, like things to listen to, going through a breakup, like to work on yourself, go to the gym. I talked to her for like 10 minutes, and then she asked for one more. I gave her one more double, and then she started falling asleep. And then the guy from New York tried to help her, right? And I asked her to pay her bill, and I said, "Hey, I can't have you sleeping here." And then she started doing it again. And then I think the camera saw it.
Yeah.
Or probably the camera saw it. I hadn't called yet because I was trying to alleviate all the work.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. It's work for you. It's work for me.
That's fine. Well, for you, yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
We're gonna go over here. Come on. Keep, ma'am. Come on. One foot separate.
I've done nothing wrong.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah, I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, I think tomorrow you're going to see things maybe different.
No, I've done nothing wrong.
George, if you want to just do a quick scan, we don't have a female, so I did a quick pat down on the outside of my hand. That's the best I could do.
I've done nothing
I haven't really
wrong.
been able to explore the waistband, but it appears that it's flat. There's nothing.
I've done nothing wrong.
All right, so he's just going to use the outside of a.
No problem. I've
Go ahead.
done nothing wrong.
In reference to that subject, she's not coming back out of New York, and that name's gonna be 1054 for 2019.
We copy. Thank you.
I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, all right. The inside looks good. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go your backside first, and then just watch your head.
I've done nothing wrong.
I understand what you're saying, ma'am.
No, you
I
don't.
do. All right. So we're gonna turn around this way, and I'm gonna just
I've done nothing wrong.
sit back on up. Watch your head. All right.
I've done nothing wrong.
So just go ahead and try to scoot with your legs. Okay?
You're a fucking piece of shit. I didn't do anything. I did nothing wrong.
Scoot over a little bit more.
I did nothing wrong.
I understand, ma'am. We need you to bring your legs in, okay?
I can't bring my.
I'm gonna help.
No, it hurts. It hurts.
Which part hurts? It's not made for comfort, but it shouldn't be painful. All right.
I did nothing wrong.
I'm gonna put this seatbelt on, okay? All right.
I did nothing wrong.
So your
I
seatbelt's on.
did nothing
If
wrong.
you want to go ahead and lean back.
It
a little
hurts.
bit.
It hurts.
This here. Hold on. Here's what you do.
It hurts. It's killing me.
You know what? Maybe here's what I'll do. I'm gonna go ahead and double cuff them, okay? So you have a little bit more room, okay?
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
I'm gonna double cuff her.
I don't double cuff me. I've done nothing wrong.
Just give it back to me when you get back. I got training here in a little bit, so.
I've done nothing wrong.
What I'm gonna do, ma'am, is I'm gonna double cuff you, okay? Just don't make any sudden movements while you're. This is for your comfort, okay?
I've done nothing wrong.
Yeah, if you want to. Yeah. All right. So what I'm gonna
I've
do?
done nothing wrong.
This is just for your comfort, okay?
I've done nothing wrong.
Understood, ma'am. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
I've done nothing wrong.
All right. That should feel a little bit better. It's gonna go right back on, okay?
I've done nothing wrong.
All right. So it's gonna go right around here. We're gonna do the same thing as we did the last time. 2 fingers, okay? That's just so you don't get out, okay? But if you twist it, it's not gonna help, okay? So don't twist it, all right? And you should have enough room, all right, for now. And what we're gonna do? 1 second. Hold on. Ma'am, stop doing that. Ma'am. What are you yelling at? What are you yelling about?
It hurts.
What hurts? What hurts?
It hurts.
What hurts? Okay. There shouldn't be any need for any pain, okay? Because there's nothing painful being caused to you right now, okay, Christine? It's not meant for comfort, but you've got plenty of room in these cuffs, okay? All right, and I'm gonna make sure this is double locked. Yeah. Right here, okay? So it's not gonna just get tight on you all of a sudden, okay? So it's right around there. You got plenty of wiggle room, okay? Just don't pull on, all right? Officer George Gonzalez is going to transport you to the Orange County BRC for booking, okay?
What?
Yep. And what's going to happen there, they're going to
What?
process you. Yep. We've got all your information that we need. Our investigation for now is complete,
Let
okay?
go, let go, let go, let go.
I'm not touching you, okay? You're in the back of a police car, ma'am, all right?
Let go of me. Please let go of me.
I'm not touching you, ma'am, okay?
I don't think you are. Please let go of my. Please let go of me. Please let go of me.
I'm going to shut the door, okay? And we're going to make sure you got plenty of air conditioning, okay?
Please.
When a subject dares police to handcuff her and says, "Arrest me," does that invitation carry any legal weight whatsoever? The answers depend entirely on how the law is read, not how the moment felt. Florida Statute Section 812. 14 defines theft as knowingly obtaining the property of another with intent to deprive them of it. Under Florida law, property explicitly includes services rendered by a business. When a patron consumes drinks and refuses to pay, all 3 elements are met. Service was rendered, payment was refused. No lawful justification exists. Petty theft under Section 812.14 carries up to 60 days and a $500 fine. Florida Statute Section 856.11. Disorderly intoxication requires 2 elements. Intoxication, combined with either endangerment of safety or a public disturbance. Public intoxication standing alone is not a criminal offense in Florida. An officer who states otherwise on camera mischaracterizes the statute, even when the underlying arrest is legally sound on a separate charge. A misstated legal basis creates avoidable exposure for both officer and prosecution. Graham v. Connor, 489 U.S., 386, 1,989. holds that force must be evaluated under an objective reasonableness standard from the perspective of a reasonable officer, not reconstructed with the benefit of hindsight. Chimel v. California, 395 U.S., 752, 1969, authorizes a warrantless search of an arrestee incident to a lawful arrest. Grounded in officer safety. Illinois v. Lafayette, 462 U.S., 640, 1983, extends this to inventory searches of personal property. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S., 436, 1966, is triggered by custodial interrogation, not by the act of arrest itself. Spontaneous statements not prompted by questioning carry no Miranda protection. A cross-gender outer clothing pat-down is not an automatic Fourth Amendment violation. Constitutional threshold and agency policy threshold operate on different legal levels. When no same-gender officer is available, the search must be limited, documented, and justified. Lesson 1. The legal basis stated during an arrest must be accurate. A statute misstated on camera becomes part of the permanent evidentiary record and can be used to challenge the officer's credibility at trial. Lesson 2. Probable cause must rest on satisfied statutory elements, not approximations. Here, the theft charge is legally sound. The intoxication framing, as articulated by the officer, was not. Lesson 3. When standard protocols cannot be followed, the deviation must be documented in scope, justified in the arrest report, and limited to only what the situation requires. The theft charge here rests on solid statutory ground. But an officer stated the wrong legal standard on camera. A male officer searched a female subject without a same-gender officer present, and the subject repeatedly said the words, "No defense attorney would ever advise. Arrest me. Go ahead." Does that verbal invitation change anything under Florida law? Did the misstated statute affect the outcome of the case? Did the cross-gender search create grounds for suppression? The case record has not been confirmed. What do you think the court decided?